Okay, I got a project on the bench that I'm going to work on real quick. This is for my wife. We're making an apron and mitten and towel hanger in the kitchen. Going to be up on the wall at the end above the refrigerator, next to at the end of the aisle of the kitchen. Refrigerator is next to its left. I'm going to get these blocks cut to size. We're going to chamfer the edges. We're going to mill everything. We're going to run it through the planer. We're going to get everything set up to where this thing just goes right together, and then get it stained and finished, dried, hung in there so she can have a place to hang all of her mitts, apron, and towels and all of that. Check out and see what we got. All right, so I think you see a little bit of that. This right here, I don't like it in this board. I'm going to trim those down a little bit more. So I'm going to get that done, and then we'll be back. Okay, so we got this pattern approved by the boss. So we're putting the chamfers on there all the way around. We get done, I'll give you a preview, but they're going to look something like that. And because I want to get it done in a somewhat fashionable time, I'm going to use pocket holes. Okay. I smell goodies. All right, we're gonna get this done real quick before my mic dies. Just going to freehand this for right now. See this. So I have this one taped off to the end because I'm going to lift this up to this point, keeping it taped. Then I'm going to peel this away and keeping my tape straight. The trick is to lay this back down on here with little to no air. Blah, 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 blah. I had a little plastic deal. I'll just have to be very careful with my ruler. I have an extra set of these in case I mess this up, which is what I'm hoping I don't do. Okay. All right, this letter is wanting to come off. I don't know why. Stick to the other tape, please. Yeah. There we go. Okay. You've got to be rather careful, because if you twist your paper, you are going to screw things up. You want to keep it as tight as possible. Now, I'm going to rub my fingers back and forth over this to get some heat in it. Also heating up the wood as well. This should help the letters adhere to the wood a little bit better than it is to the paper. We just pull it off very slowly. No need to get in a hurry on this. Best thing is to do is just take your time. Okay. Awesome. Always excited when it works out. Okay, good afternoon, everybody. We're moving on to the finish. So she has chosen a clear poly over the pine here. So we were given the options of the clear poly. I don't know how well anybody can see that. Okay, this is the clear poly. This was golden oak. A little darker on that one. It's got a little bit more brown and red in it, so that's actually making that wood a little bit darker. We're going to let this finish drying. Then we're going to come back. Okay, so I'm getting ready to come in here and get prepping to do the next coat. I want to point something out real quick. This is exactly what I was trying to talk about earlier. I have the top of the H on kitchen is lifting up a little bit. So I have a little bit, if you can see it. I don't know how well you can see it, but it's actually coming up right here on this end. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to take and lay a razor blade right at the edge of that. I'm going to take my tweezers. I'm going to grab that and pull it up, because it won't lay back down. And that way, you can see what that did is just took that off. Mark my little holes here. Come over here. Do my 3/8 from the top. Center that up. Down the line. So I will start the countersink. Not going to go too far because the screws are not that long. There we go. That is all done. Okay, everybody, this is the final reveal of the apron hanger in Carol's kitchen. So you can see we have the aprons, we have the mittens, we have a couple of extra hooks here for other things. I'm sure that she'll move to getting a couple of different colored aprons. This is working out really well. I actually used 2 wall anchors because the studs are running between here and here. So I used wall anchors here and here, screwed the screws in, hung the D-hooks on it, as you saw that we inserted in the shop. So this is it. We hope that everybody's enjoyed the video. We hope that everybody likes this. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the description below. As always, leave us a like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for more videos like this. You guys have a good one. Take care. Be kind to one another. We'll see you next time.